afternoon really well. For the ones who don't know me, my name is Helen and welcome to another video of Expressions, the DIY channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create these colorful backgrounds to decorate your pics or maybe for other cool ideas. For now, I will get a piece of cardboard, your watercolors, and come with me.
Before we start, it's very important to know or to set where we're going to work on. The first tip I'm gonna give you, according to my experience, is to choose the correct watercolor paper. The paper should be thick enough to resist water. Using something close to 140 pounds will work well and will avoid the paper getting buckled. Here I show you the options that I have. By the way, all of them are Canson because I think it's one of the best brands and it's kind of cheap. When you buy a sketchbook, don't forget to check the specifications, such as the grammage of the paper, then how many pages it contains, and what type of a sketchbook is. If that could be used for drawing, only painting with acrylics, only watercolors, multi-technique, etc. So for this tutorial, I will choose this sketchbook that has a thick and resistant paper. I will use like 3 sheets. Now let's go with the watercolors. I've seen different types of watercolors, some of them very expensive and could be the best ones. But for me that I just started to love watercolors, I prefer to invest just a little bit less. I'm not saying that I'm gonna buy the cheapest one, but I try to find the balance between a reasonable price and a good quality. And when I'm talking about quality, I mean about the texture. Here I show you my options. This is my Crayola set. To be a school kid set, the quality of the colors is not bad. The texture is really good, plus the colors are vivid. However, not enough variety of colors as my Artist Love set. 36 colors to be specific. However, the quality of the colors are not the best. Too much graininess, and that is caused by the heavier pigment granules. Then I have these tubes of my favorite color, magenta. Then I will show you how to use them. Now I will show you my paint brushes. This black brush is the one that comes in the school watercolor set. And the other one, called a standard round brush, is a professional brush specifically for watercolors. Then we have the most important item, the water. Remember that without it, the watercolors can work. I think now we have everything we need to start. First, let's apply or spray some water on the paper before we start to paint. But not too much, we don't want the paper to buckle. The reason why I'm using water prior is because I will apply a wet on wet painting technique. So I want to moisten the paper and get a nice smooth work surface. Before we start, let me introduce the color wheel. This will help us to mix the colors precisely. Mix all the colors gradually, using more water if necessary, to combine more the colors between each other. We can make some mistakes at the beginning, separating all the colors in different portions, but the worst is not to know how to combine the colors and then create darker colors as a result of a bad mix. That's why it's important to know the color wheel.
So now that you know how to create these beautiful and colorful backgrounds, tell me how are you going to use them. Please leave some comments.
Now let me show you what I use them for. As a background of a main character, as a background when drawing mandalas, as a background deco when photoshoot my products.
I I really hope you like this video, and if you do so, please don't forget to give a thumb up, share the video with your friends or in your social media. And the most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so you can get notified every time that I upload a new video. Have an amazing, colorful day, and see you next time. Ciao!